Ooh, welcome back to our channel. Tonight, we have an incredible, exciting unboxing for you. We're diving into the world of Suicide Squad with one of the most sought after action figures out there. None other than... Syempre, sino pa ba? The Joker! If you are a fan of this clown prince, you're gonna love this kind of unboxing. Let's get this bad boy out of the box and see what we've got. The packaging itself is so impressive. Yung vibrant graphics nila, yung detailed ng artworks, at syempre yung iconic purple suit. See? Meron pa silang ganito. Definitely worth of the money. This Joker figure really captures me. Yung essence of the character niya from the movie. The paint job, the articulation are top notch, making it a fantastic addition sa collection ko. Overall, I'm really impressed with this release. It's definitely a must-have for any Joker fan or Suicide Squad fan. Tignan mo naman yan, oh. Ayun, oh. See? Pakyut muna, pakyut. Let's have a closer look. Wala na eh, oh. Dito pa lang, oh. Panalo na eh. Just look at that. Yung bawat detalye, oh. From the tattoos and the signature purple suit, and every aspect of it was so well crafted. And check out these accessories. Napaka-realistic, oh. Woo! Wala na. Game over na. Pulidong pulido, oh. Tignan mo naman yung mukha niya. Napaka-realistic. Kung nag-enjoy kayo dito sa in-unbox nating laruan na to, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave us a comment below with your thoughts dito sa figure na to. Salamat sa panonood. I'll see you on the next video. Adios!